Hello exclusive family, I'm finally back and today's video is crucial not only for me but for every anime related Dragon Ball YouTuber. How and why did I get the 63 fake copyright strikes? The fake chatbot system of the YouTube support team, I don't know, but how a fake person can be able to give people copyright strikes and how everything is going on. But I have a request. Please watch it till the end and try to share it with someone who needs to see this. Time being, please show some support on my Twitter and subscribe to my other channel, so if something goes wrong again here, I can give you the updates. There the links are in the description. It does not matter if you are a big YouTuber or just starting. They are hunting down everybody. Even PewDiePie have to make a video about this topic.
A big shot company that basically couldn't care less.
So first, let's talk about the details about ongoing situation about me. My channel is on the blacklist of the strikers and they are even able to give me strikes on some of my videos which are private. Doesn't it sound fishy? Yes, they have all of the links of the videos which have been uploaded to my channel till yet, and I'm trying my best to fight with all this alone. And people are helping me as well, but it's like hit and trial kind of thing. So again, I have a humble request from all of you. Please show your support on my Twitter and subscribe to the other channel. As you know, if something goes wrong here, I can give you the updates there. Links are in the description. So now let's move on. Let's talk about the fake toy animation UK. So it all started on October 20th, 2021 when a person claimed that he owned the content that is used in 63 of my videos. The weird thing is that he did not have any proof that the content belongs to him, but YouTube doesn't care, and bam, I got 15 strikes on 63 videos, like group videos strikes in an instant. From being able to make some good videos to not able to breathe properly because it feels like a panic attack. Now I am able to make videos and feeling a little better as I have to do what I love. The email of that person is this showing on your screens right now, and the most shocking and surprising thing is that some good people from community said that it is real and some of them are saying it is fake, which means nobody was sure about it. Is it a group of people or a single person? I don't know, but why is he or she doing it? People make a living on YouTube these days and it is serious enough to destroy someone's financial build-up. If somebody is able to get good attention and is able to create good content, what is wrong with that? It is not easy to do at all, so they choose to destroy them all. It is not a game, it is real life. Please, if someone who is part of the fake thing is watching, please stop the madness. And not only this, now even the support system of YouTube is great. GREAT. So for those who don't know, if someone gives you a copyright strike, you can counter them if they are fake, and then YouTube decides to forward the counter to the striker, which is odd. Because when I asked YouTube to tell me who's giving me these fake strikes, they said they can't because of some privacy policy. What privacy policy? So one part is literally on the road without nothing and the other one is chilling with every possible security. But on what basis? This is why a fake person can be able to give people these fake strikes. And artificial intelligence is a big part of it as well. Because when I was submitting the counters, 8 counters were rejected on what basis? Because the bot think that, oh, let's reject them randomly and don't give any reason because I'm learning. And when I tweet about this, then got some serious attention from all of you guys, and thanks to you guys for that, because the way you support on that tweet was awesome. YouTube has to take some actions the same day. Still in the tweet they said was that it was a human response and not a bot. So my question is that why am I able to apply those counters again? It's easy because this time the bot thinks that let him submit them because we are learning. Because artificial intelligence is still in a very early stage, I guess we are all doomed if they get us instead of the human team. And somehow finally I got to see, thank you for your counter notification. It has been forwarded to the party that sent the takedown notification. Now let's talk about Twitter support. Thanks to all of you guys, I'm able to make videos again only because of your support and as you want me to see as well. And I want you guys to be part of the support as well, who are new right now watching the video on Twitter and on the second channel. Go there and let's be a family. The YouTube support system is so broken that we have to tweet about it. Then why there are YouTube support system? And not only that, after the tweet, then YouTube wait to see if the creator got some attention or not. But in my case, I got it and they have to take some actions, some positive and some good actions. A lot of creators who were fighting alone got deleted and now they are either healing or too sad to start it all again. If you know someone who is creating content under the YouTube policy and is still going through this, then please support them as well. Big YouTubers are big because of you and their talents, but beginners deserve to be recognized as well. Now let's talk about the proof of the fake striker and YouTube unfair policy. So some of you are noticing that I'm saying fake person instead of toy. Because when I counter the strikes, the striker just ignores them because he or she has nothing to show against my counter and they had 15 days to reply to my counters. But you guessed it right, there is nothing. Because maybe he or she might be crying in the corner right now. And keep in mind that he or she is not replying to my counter, but here are some 6 more strikes by the same person. And remember, YouTube's so-called human verification system is working in between all these counters and coming strikes on my channel. So somewhere in the YouTube office, they know that I have countered the person's strike, but still agree to give me more strikes from the same person. How worst could it be? They don't want any proof, anything, but they are always ready to take down the content. But somehow I try my best to keep calm and fight, and finally my 63 videos are reinstated. But now the question is, should I upload again? Didn't he or she give me another strike? But somehow I saw that this topic is now covered by PewDiePie. I mean, he is the YouTube kind of person. So I think from now on, it would be safe to make videos. Now I will talk about some harsh reality about YouTube support system. If you have luck, you are okay. But if you are small or your social feedbacks are not responsive, my friend, it is a horror show when you got into some crap like this. It's like real life. If you are poor, nobody cares. But if you are rich and have a good number of subscribers, or in real life, good number of connections who supports you as well, then you will have a great experience, because then in the case of YouTube, the YouTube support system would love to work for those creators. But as I said, if you are not, nobody gives a F. But still, I would say thanks to you all, and I hope we can able to grow on Twitter and on my second channel so that I can give you every piece of information without any hesitation, because I'm still thinking that it might happen in the future as well. So the link is in the description. On that channel, I can give you the information as well there if something bad happened here. So hope we will meet soon in the next video. Peace out.